propane and RV gas alarm. Ours has been beeping, so we are going to put a new one in. I know they go off, they run out of life on them, and I think they just keep chirping. So we're gonna put a new one in, about 2 years old now, which I thought it would last longer, but ours on our RV only lasted 1 year, and it just failed. So the wiring is pretty much always like 2 crimp connectors that are permanent, and I'm just gonna wire nut them because we'll be back doing this again, and I don't want to keep cutting the wire shorter and shorter. I do have some of the actual like OEM RV connectors, but they're a crimp connect, and I don't like using those if I'm gonna have to keep replacing this. So here we go. I think this one was good till October of 2026, which is not lasting that long. So behind this is on our island, and behind it is some drawers. I'm hoping just take this off, there'll be enough wire extra. So let's see. Get that. I don't have my stand. I'm only using my headlamp for my head, whatever, head mount. And with all RVs, you're gonna have your square drive. This is 12 volt. Simple. We got a ton of wiring. Are they gonna be nice to us? We got 1 wire. We got 2. Oh, they put them together. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut it here. We'll leave those crimps, and then we will put our new one in. We don't need. We got this big old faceplate. I guess it's kind of nice. Do we need it? Do we want it? Do we like it? I wonder if we do put that on there. These are gonna rip right through it. That's kind of nice. Screw it. We'll leave it. Leave it factory. Little wires. Look at this little janky thing. So, old snipperooski. That one's junk. And get our wire strippers. Go positive first. That's got a lot more wire. Oh, we've got a lot more. Twist these. Put our wire nut. Bada bing, bada boom. Strip our negative. And we'll get these. Got our wire nuts. And get our trash out of here. Our clippers. Okay, so we had a zip tie. Directions. Who needs directions? Let's see. Where's English? Da, 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 da. Okay. 2 LED silent and test button. The chart below summarizes alarm outputs for each state. Warm up, flashing green. We are flashing green. So steady on will be normal operation. Green light will flash for 3 minutes after power to indicate the alarm is warm up state. Alarm will not detect CO or propane for the first 3 minutes. Cool. Tuckaroo. No, we're still flashing green. There's a lot of wiring back there. You're home. A little tight. There we go. Alrighty, so that was a quick video on replacing the propane gas alarm. Real quick and fast. Not sugarcoating nothing. Just get in there, unscrew it, and hopefully you can pull the wires out and get right to it and snip them. And I just used small wire nuts, and that's pretty much it. So quick little, not even a tip video, but just what I do. But just run around like a pheasant. So just from here to there and other jobs, and always doing something. So I got plenty of things to keep me busy. And thanks for watching, and drop a comment or question or go from there. See ya. Alrighty, it's maintenance. Big old bird just landed on the RV. The RV's a rockin', don't come a knockin'.